Hey, it's Cassie. You may have noticed on Etsy that when you're scrolling through, some of the listings will pop up like a video that starts to play, and it's super eye-catching. Definitely will get people interested in your listing. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily make one of these in Canva. I actually thought this was going to be really complicated, especially since I sell printables in my shop. I wasn't sure how I could possibly make a video. Like, I didn't want to make a video of me doing something with the printable every time. And you actually don't have to do that. So I'm going to show you how you can make a video that will pop up in the feed and get you more clicks and orders. So let's head over to Canva and I'm going to show you just how to do it. Okay, so we're here in Canva. I'm going to go to create a design and then I'm going to choose custom size because I like to make my images all the same size. I use 2500 by 2000 pixels. So what I'm going to do is get a couple of backgrounds here. I'm going to make my images and my video at the same time. So I'm going to grab a wood background from Canva's library. So I'll go with this one. You can do more than one if you want to. So I'm going to show you one of the printables that I did for my one of my blog posts. So what you need to do is click upload files. It'll take you to where you have your things saved, and then you can just grab your images from there. I already have mine uploaded, so I'm not going to do that, but I wanted to show you how to do it just in case you don't know. So I have a few different ones here, so I'll say this is going to be a package, but you could do this with just one printable too, just do different images. So I'm just going to put my photo on here, then I'm going to duplicate this page and get rid of this one, and then I'm going to add a different one that I have on here, and I think I'll turn this one the other way so that it stands out that it's a different one. I'm going to do this big one. Okay, so the Etsy videos are 12 seconds long, I believe. So what we want to do here is we want to click animate, and then you can choose any of these. The one I like to use is this breathe one. And you can see the animation here. If you go up, it'll show you on the other pages as well. So I'm going to click that and then click apply to all pages. And then because my video can only be 12 seconds long, I'm going to click right here where it says this 5 seconds and has this little clock. And I'm going to change this to 4 seconds each because then that'll give me a 12-second video. Then you want to click this apply to all 3 pages, and then that'll put it to 12 seconds. So you can see how long your video is right here in the top. And if you want to play it, you can click this and it'll play it for you so you can see what it looks like. You can download from there as well, but I wanted to show you how to do it here. So you can click share and then download. It'll say MP4 video right here. That's what you want. You want all 3 pages, and then just click download. And then when you're here in your Etsy, I went to listings and add a new listing. Then you go right down to the second section, and this is the video section. This is where you can upload it. Click on add video, and then you'll see your video there in your downloads. and then just double click it and it'll start uploading. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much. I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like and subscribe. I'd love to have you join the family, and I will see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.